Hi there, in this tutorial you will learn how to fix image thumbnail in any Windows. This could be annoying, but there are lots of simple ways to get them back. First, check to see if the thumbnail are disabled. To do so, open any folder, then go to View tab on the top. After that, click on the option. As we can see it, open New Window folder option. In this new window, click on the View tab and under the Advanced setting, simply uncheck Always Show Icon Never Thumbnail option. So I am going to do uncheck now here. Apply and OK. Now we can see preview thumbnail are disabled. I hope you like this video and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Keep learning. Have a nice day.